Hello everyone, let's make some guacamole today, my way. This recipe I made mild, creamy, delicious guacamole. So you're gonna need 2 medium avocados, handful of cilantro, half of a Roma tomato, 1 lime, 1 serrano. I'm gonna use half of this jalapeno peppers. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 onion here. Let's cut the onion first. This is how I like. Now this is washed. Now the avocado. Some days we get really good avocados. Actually this one is good. Oh, this one is pretty good. This one is good too. Okay, now Now is the best part. I get to try this guacamole. You can add cheese if you want. This cheese, I like this Mexican cheese blend. It's really good with guacamole. And this is the chips that I like. And let's try it. I'm not advertising or anything. I'm just showing you what I use. It's really good. It's delicious. I hope you make this guacamole and try with your family. Thank you for watching. Thank you for making this guacamole with me today. Do give thumbs up. Thank you.